Hello everyone, my name is Wilfredo Mosquera. In case of opportunity, I'm going to share with you a video. This is the final task in phonetic and phonology course. First step, reading. Emotions are a state or feeling that are often intense, lasts for until a short time and are clearly directed it or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotion includes joy, pride, release, love, and compassion. We must share positivism and joy to others by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotion includes anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. The second task is the minimal pairs: cat, bat, white, wise, right, road, Kate, night, take, stick, cut, caught, pin, beam, till, peel, teach, pitch, day, pay, dig, pick, deal, pillar, duck, buck, date, bait, tall, coal, tool, cool, tape, cape, tote, coat, town, gum, time, guy, tap, gap, tool, ghoul, tack, gut, table, gable, team, fin, tail, fail, tom, phone, tick, Vic. Activity number 3. Intonation. Statement with one stress. She walks, we laughed, it stopped. Statement with two stress. Tongue is reading, Mike is sleeping, the car stopped, the weather has changed. A statement with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. A statement with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letter very quickly. The teacher told her student a story with five streets. Alice wrote the letter very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. The special question, the filing intonation. What's your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? The friendly interacts, politics rising intonation. What's your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? The general question, the rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, the rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? The tag questions, filing or rising intonation. You don't know then, do you? They haven't found it. Having it? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it. Should I? The common filing intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask me for help. Request. Rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence. Falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, can you call me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencil. Response. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, he didn't. That's all. Thank you for your pay attention to me and see you next opportunity. Bye bye.